Picture this. You start your Monday with 12 tasks in progress. You work hard all week. Friday comes, 10 of them are still open, and somehow you picked up 2 more along the way. Everyone's busy, yet nothing is being delivered. Does that sound familiar? I am Fanny Ndengue, professional Kanban trainer with ProKanban, and this is Kanban Bytes, short episode breaking down how Kanban actually works. No fluff, just what you need. So, Kanban, what is it really? Kanban is a strategy for managing the flow of value through a process. Think of it like plumbing. Your team has the pipes, the people, the skills, the tools, but water is pouring in from everywhere. Nothing is flowing, it's backing up, clogging. That's exactly the situation Corbe's team faced back in 2007. The team, including Darren Davis, Daniel Vacanti, Kurt, to name a few, worked to solve the issues, and that is how most of what we know about Kanban now got to be. Daniel Vacanti documented the first Kanban implementation for knowledge work. In his words, we need to come up with something that is going to shake this process loose and get us focused on execution. That's what Kanban does. It makes the water move, and it does that by balancing 3 things: effectiveness, efficiency, and predictability. How? 3 practice. They build on each other. Practice 1, define and visualize the workflow. You make the work visible, not in your head, not in 5 different spreadsheets, on a shared board. Every item, every stage out in the open. Because the second you do that, you see the problems that were silently blocking you all along. But seeing the problem, that's just the start. That brings us to practice 2, actively managing the flow. 3 things to watch here. Work item age, a task sitting untouched for 18 days, that's not in progress, that's forgotten. Like a banana on the counter. Catch it before it rots. WIP limits. More cars on a full highway doesn't speed up things, it gridlock. You only pull new work when there is capacity to finish it. And service level expectations. A database forecast, for example, 85% of our items finish in 10 days. That's your warning light. You act before the deadline is missed, not after. So now you can see the work. You are managing it, which brings us to practice 3, improving the workflow continuously. You now review your own data like an athlete reviews game tape. Not to blame anyone, to learn. You track how long work takes, how much gets done, and you run small experiments. Daniel Vacanti put it this way: if you are constantly improving, whatever that improvement means, then you are doing Kanban well. Now, before you leave, let's address 3 myths. Kanban is only for IT. No. Marketing teams, hospital, finance, anywhere you can flow the stages, you have Kanban. You can find the video on our channel. All tasks must be the same size. No, they just need to be small enough to move through your system. Expedite late makes things faster. Think Disney Fast Pass. One person skipped the line, everyone else waits longer. One urgent item, one person helped, but the predictability is wrecked for the whole team. Kanban isn't a tool. It's not a board. It is a strategy. Make the work visible. Limit what is in flight and let the data guide you. If you want to learn more about everything I just covered and more, download the Kanban guide. It's an 8-page guide, free, and the link is in the description.